Exercise 8.4, like and unlike fractions. Fractions with the same denominator or like fractions. For example, 2 by 3, 6 by 3, 11 by 3. Here the denominators are common. So it is a like fractions. The next topic is comparing like fractions. If two fractions have the same denominator, the fractions with the greater numerator is greater. To compare the like fractions, compare only the numerator as the denominators are same. Now you can compare the numerator only. The denominators are same. So 16, the denominator is 16, the denominator is 16. Now comparing which one is largest. Here 11 is largest. So greater than. Next, comparing these two numbers 7 and 3. Which one is largest? 7 is largest. So greater than. The last one is 3. This is the comparing of like fractions. Only compare the numerator values. The denominator remains the same. This topic is unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominator or unlike fractions. Example, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 7 by 10. Here the denominators are different, so this is the unlike fraction. This topic is comparing unlike fractions. To compare unlike fractions, first change them to like fractions so that the fractions have a common denominator. To convert unlike fractions to like fractions, the first step, find the LCM of the denominator of the given fraction. For example, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. 2 by 3 is a fraction and 3 by 4 is a fraction. Now check the denominator. Denominators are different, so it is an unlike fraction. The first step, find the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of the denominator, LCM of denominator 3, 4 is 12. The second step, convert each fractions into its equivalent fractions with the LCM as the common denominator. Now 2 by 3 convert to equivalent fractions of the denominator. So here the denominator is 12. In 3 tables, how many times getting 12? 4 times. So multiply 4 by numerator and denominator. 4 2s are 8. Next, 3 by 4 is equal to, here also the denominator is 12. In 4 tables, 3 times. So multiply 3 on both numerator and denominator. 3 3s are 9. Now the denominators are common. Now you can compare 8 by 12, 9 by 12. Here denominator is common. Now you can compare the numerator value. Which one is greater? 9 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12. So 9 by 12, the real fraction is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 greater than 2 by 3. Topic 8.5, addition and subtractions of fractions. Adding and subtracting like fractions. Add or subtract the numerators, the denominator remains the same. For example, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Now adding two fractions, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Here check the denominator. Denominators are same, so the denominator remains the same. So denominator is 5. The numerator, now adding the numerator, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 by 5 is the answer. Next example, subtract 1 by 5 from 3 by 5. Solution, 3 by 5 subtracted 1 by 5. Here the denominators are common, same, so taking the common denominator 5. The numerator 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 5 is the answer. Next one, adding and subtracting unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominator, first change them to like fractions so that they have a common denominator. Common denominator can be the LCM of two denominators. Example, example 4 by 5 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Solution. First taking the LCM. The LCM of, here the denominators are 5, 3, 5. So 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is 15. The LCM is 15. Next, convert the equivalent fraction. First write down the question. 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to, here the denominators are same, so 5, 4 plus 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 6 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Now 6 by 5. First convert the equivalent fractions of denominator 15. 15 in 5 tables 3 times. So 3 is the common factor of numerator and denominator. Multiply 3. That is 18. Next 1 by 3. 15 in 3 tables 5 times. So multiply 5 by numerator and denominator. 6 by 5. The value is 16 by 15 plus 1 by 3. The value is 5 by 15. Now check the denominator. Denominators are like fractions. So taking the common denominator 15. Now add the numerator 18 plus 5 is equal to 23 by 15. Now you can convert the mixed fraction. That is the improper fraction. Now you can convert mixed fraction. That is 23 divided by 15. 1 times 15. Remainder 8 by same denominator. That is 1 is a whole number. 8 by 15 is the fraction. 1 by 8 by 1. 8 by 15 is the mixed fraction value.